One of the first things we get to talk about, I think we just starting off with the big one. I mean, come on. Tesla.
Might as well. Jump in.
Let's do this. Okay. Where do you want to start? Let's with the report or the stock?
How about we start? I want to just look it up. Currently, their stock's at $645 a share.
You know, doing well. Glad everyone took my advice not to buy when it was at 300. Okay, just saying, I saved you guys. All right.
I'm officially starting to feel that I should have bought something years ago.
If anyone ever came after me like, hey, you gave me financial advice and whatever, I could point back to this and be like, look, clearly I am not the guy to be taking financial advice from. Because, yeah.
I'm happy because I bought shares years ago.
Good for you. Okay, so stock up.
Thank you.
Tremendous.
Smug.
Look at that. So just prior to the announcement, it was at 581, which is already nuts. And then this morning, right now, trading at 645. If you go back a month ago, it was right around 430. So I mean, look at this trend. This is just beautiful. So, and all of that is because of some very good numbers that they posted. Let me show you some charts. How about that? Do we like charts here?
I like charts. I like them. Joe, do you like
charts? And I cannot lie. Okay. So first off, I mean, net income. You may also know this as profit. So they posted a $105 million profit, which is down from last year, down from last quarter, but still up an actual like positive number. So when the whole thing about is Tesla profitable, et cetera, yes, they are. In fact, 4 out of the last 6 quarters, they've posted a positive profit there. So that's cool because they also had record revenue of $7.3, almost $7.4 billion. So
wow.
The way these things work, game of whack-a-mole, right? You can grow revenue, right? Like if Tesla said, hey, we're just going to like triple our sales staff and maybe start buying ads, like yes, revenue would go up. But you would also be spending a lot more money to get that revenue. So the fact that revenue went up and they still were able to maintain profitability and open the factory in China and start developing the new lines for Model Y. I mean, they were able to grow and expand while maintaining profitability, and that's pretty remarkable. You know,
I think that was always the biggest doubt that the market always had was like, you know, can they want to grow aggressively, but they can't just keep growing and not be posting. Like those two things are typically at odds, profit and growth. And here they've been doing both now. It's like, there you go.
And profit was down than, you know, previous, but still it's like, you know, a big chunk of the investors, our good friends over there at the stock market, thought that, you know, 6 months ago, this company was done. That was it. Toast. Bankrupt. Gone. You know, like the DeLorean of the old days. Like, and now they're showing that they are a healthy business that is growing. Maybe not as quickly. Like certainly if they were like, hey, let's just blast this through the roof. Yeah, let's go raise a ton of money. Let's build 5 new factories. You know, but that I don't think is really the right way to go. And it's, you know, clearly Elon kind of isn't pushing it that way. He's pushing it in a way that is sustainable, which is really good to see. So.
Hey, thanks for checking us out, guys. I hope you enjoyed this clip from our podcast.
We do a weekly show here on YouTube, so make sure and subscribe to Our Ludicrous Future, where we discuss all the things that are going to make our future totally ludicrous.
You can join us here on YouTube or at any of your favorite podcast places. Plus, if you want to get some behind-the-scenes stuff and join a cool community, you can help support the channel at patreon.com. Thanks a lot.
Thanks, guys.